Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In previous lesson, we have learned short sound of vowel A, E, I. And now in this video, we are going to learn the sound of vowel O. Now let's see the short sound of vowel O with word families like ark, op, art and ox. We all know the short sound of vowel O is O. Now let's see the word families. Here O is joined with letter G and the combination of these two letters sound is OG. Og. Here O is joined with P and their sound is O. Op. O sounds O, P sounds P and the combination of the sound is op. Here O sounds O, T sounds T, O, T, ot. Here O sounds O, X sound X, ox, ox. So yes, these are the word families of O. Og, op, ot, ox. Now let's see how it sounds with consonants. Here you can see consonant L and we know the sound of L. Letter L sounds L and the word family og. Let's blend these three letter sound together. L, og, log. L, og, log. Here C sounds K. K, op, cop. K, op, cop. Here H sounds H. H-art, H-art, heart. Here F sounds F. F-ox, F-ox, fox. Here you can see some more examples of short vowel sound of O. Or you can even say CVC words. CVC word means consonant, vowel, consonant. Now let's see how they sound. F sound F. F-og. Og. It's a word family of og. Let's see how it sounds. F-og. Fog. J-og. Jog. D-og. Dog. K-og. Cog. T-og. Top. M-og. Mop. This is a word family of og. H-og. Hop. H-og. Hop. Let's see the word family of ot. L-ot. Lot. H-ot. Hot. D-ot. Dot. K-ot. Cot. Let's see the word family of ox. Ox. B-ox. Box. F-ox. Fox. H-ox. Hogs. Yes, these are the examples of word families and the short sound of vowel O. This is going to be really very helpful for the young learners and the pre-primary kids. And if you also find this video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button, share the video and most important, subscribe to my channel.